A local math teacher suffered a major loss, and a group of students are doing what they can to cheer him up. News 13's Jeannie Nguyen has their story.
Students in Mr. Nidek's class say that even with his recent downfalls, he still continues to be a positive teacher. Because of that, they wanted to give him a gift he wouldn't forget.
We're aware of your situation, and we really want to help you out, so we all got together, and we got you this.
The situation, Nathan Nidek's wife passed away 2 years ago. Then earlier this month, Nidek and his current wife got heartbreaking news about their 2-year-old son.
After they had run blood work, said that Michael had leukemia.
After seeing their beloved math teacher struggle through hard times, Nidek's calculus students pooled their money to get him something they knew he would love.
When we found out, we figured, hey, let's just do it. It could be something really special and something he'd really like. And
no, my God, no. Yes, yo. No, you did not.
It was the Nintendo Switch game console, along with a few games and controllers.
Seriously?
yeah, let's go.
I just felt, I don't know, basically a warm hug from everybody.
The students say they wanted to do anything they could to put a smile on their teacher's face since he works so hard every day.
I love his positive attitude he comes to school with, so I feel like we just wanted to spread that back to him and give it back to him in a way that we could.
You could just tell that that had been a light for him.
Nidek not only credits his wife and Faith for helping him pull through this time, but now his students are giving him that extra push he needs.
And it choked me up. One of the punchlines was, everything's going to be okay, and everything is okay. And it is.
The Nintendo Switch starts at $300, so the students pulled all that money together in only a week to buy the game console for Nidek. Jeannie Nguyen, KRQE News 13.
Nathan Nidek's son is currently undergoing chemotherapy. Doctors tell the family he has a good chance of recovering.